When I was coming to this place, I wore a wig, but with the weather, I've thrown the wig away, guys. Yeah, this is where we are going. Yes, guys, I'm taking the kids to one park since Zedrick, Zion, be going. Be going, Zion. Zede. Ale. Guys, so we'll take the bus. Today is very, very sunny, but I think today is better than yesterday. The weather today is very better than yesterday's weather. So we are going to take bus. Mom of boys, look at them. Mom of 3 boys. Zion say cheese, say I. Zeden say I. Zeden say I. Zion say I. Zedrick say I. Say subscribe to mommy's channel, please. Zedrick say subscribe. Mama, boss is coming. Where? Inside the bus. We're inside the bus. This is the park, oh. Guys. This is the park. This is so hot. So guys, this is part of the garden. Like I said before, this is my first time of coming to this place in my city. I have been in this city for the past 10 years, and I have not been to this place. I don't even know that this place exists in my city here in France. So we just discovered this place. Then they have a lot of fun games.
Zedrick is disturbing. He's doing bêtises.
Zedrick, stop. So guys, you see, very beautiful. This is my city here in France. Guys, so beautiful. So beautiful. These are my kids. Guys, I have not been to this place. This place is what? This place is a jolly. Très jolly. When I was coming to this place, I wore a wig, but with the weather, I've thrown the wig away, guys. Yes, I am. Zedrick, come. Is it that they sleep or back? Guys, look at the kids are having fun. This place is so nice. These are Zion and Zedrick and some of the black kids. And this is Zedrick, go and play inside now. Go and play inside the water. Guys, the kids are having fun. Of course not. Guys, I told you that this place has a lot of kids activity fun. So as you can see, this is some of the place. You see, this is some of the place. This is the mountain. This is Eden. Zanyo, warrior. People should look at me now. I know you guys are enjoying this place. I know you guys really enjoy this place. Guys, we really had fun today. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. So guys, I'm trying to take my kids to this place. Let's go and climb this mountain, this place. So I'm trying to take my kids. Let's go and climb it. We are going there. What are you? Can you cross? Oh yeah, cross it now. Oh yeah, walk. This is stream. No, you cross, you pass the stone. Oh yeah, do small, Zedric, come down. Oh yeah, can you pass it? Oh yeah, Zedric, pass. Don't be scared, pass.
I'm scared.
You can't? Oh Zion, oh yeah, go pass it. Oh yeah, come. Zion, cross to the other side. Let me carry Zedric. Oh yeah, cross, Zion, cross first. Oh yeah, go. Oh yeah, go. Bravo. I'm going. I want to pass. Let's come. Oh yeah, put your leg. Bravo. Oh yeah, cross. Bravo.
You want to tell me one more time?
No, let's go that side. Be going.
We're going to walk that gingerbread stairs.
Can you walk? Can you walk in the stairs?
Yes.
Oh yeah, let's be going. Let's see.
They're walking in gingerbread stairs.
Let's be going. Zion is going. Oh yeah, be going. Let's walk. If we get to that place, we'll come down. We'll come down. Yes. Oh yeah. This is where we are going. Yes. Yeah. We'll go down again. No, we'll go up. No, don't look. Don't look. Zedric, be going. Oh yeah, go. Look at Zion. Hey, don't be scared. Be going. Excuse me, pardon. Zion, I'm tired though. Climb here. Go here, Zedric. Guys, you see?
I'm not scared.
Don't be scared. Zion is not scared.
Yes, look at me.
Zedric, go front. Guys, we are going home. Where is Zion?